Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money on this platform. Okay, so actually this platform is a platform where you complete simple tasks and then you make money on daily basis. Okay, this is not a platform where you watch video or where you share viral tasks or something like that. This is actually a place where you complete a task about writing or solving people's problem. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this platform works, how you can sign up, and how you can get paid on this platform. Okay, so if you're new on my channel, if you're seeing my video for the first time, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on my channel, you get notified by YouTube. So you get notified by YouTube. You can just watch the video and then implement whatever I teach. Okay, and to my returning subscribers, I would say thank you very much and welcome again to my channel. Okay, so this is a new update of how you can make money online. Okay, so on this website you can actually make up to $20 to $50 on daily basis, depending on the time you are able to put in to work on this website. Okay, so right here you can see the name of this website is Livingstone Research. Yeah, you can see it right here, Livingstone Research. Okay, so don't just click off this video or to go and sign up for yourself, because you're gonna make a lot of mistake. Okay, so to sign up on this website, it actually takes a lot of process. Okay, so you just want to stick to this video, watch it from beginning to the end so you won't miss any step. Okay, it actually take a little process for you to be able to sign up on this platform. Okay, so right here, let me just scroll down on the home page so you can get to know little about this website before I show you the sign up process. Okay, so right here you can see looking for freelance job. Welcome to Livingstone Research. Making money as a freelancer has never been so easy. Apply to get an access to available tasks. Okay, so don't get yourself confused. When you see something like this on a website, you mustn't have a skill before you can make money on a website like this. Okay, so when you hear about freelancing, you might be thinking you have to be a graphic designer or a website developer or a copywriter before you can make money as a freelancer. No. Okay, so on a website like this, with your simple knowledge, you can still make money on this website. Okay, so just stick to the video, watch it from beginning to the end. You're going to understand everything. Okay, so right here, let me just scroll down and then show you a little bit more information about the website. Okay, so right here you can see a great variety of available tasks in different subjects. Okay, so right here you can see competitive compensation from $3 to $18 per hour of work, bonuses on top of that. Okay, so right here you see, I actually told you earlier, you can be making more than $20 on this website. Okay, so right here you can see what they say. You can actually make up to $3 to $18 per hour on this website. Okay, so right here you can see flexible schedule. You decide when and how much you would like to work. Okay, so nobody is going to tell you how many hours you have to work or when you have to resume work or whenever you want to work. Okay, so you have your own time to schedule. Okay, so you just schedule yourself, you work whenever you want to work, and then however you wish to end your work, you can just end it. Okay, so right here you can see convenient mobile websites manage your workload on the go from your phone. Okay, so right here you can actually use your smartphone. Your smartphone is cool. You can work on this website using just your smartphone. Okay, so you can see the available payment methods right here. This payment method actually works in, I think, all countries. Yeah, because right here you can see this is Pioneer, this is wire transfer, this is Krill. Okay, so to create any of these accounts is actually very easy. You can just go on YouTube, search on how to create a Pioneer account or how to create a wire account or Skrill. That's if you don't have any of them already. Okay, so you can just create any of them and then link it to your account right here. Okay, so this is the main thing right here, which is how you can apply on this website. Okay, it's actually not easy. It's not easy to apply. Okay, I know what I'm saying. Don't just click off this video to go and apply. You're gonna miss a whole lot of things. Okay, so right here you can see you're going to do 4 steps if you want to apply on this website. Okay, so the first step is you're going to apply on your website by filling your details. Okay, you can see the first one here, you're going to fill your details. So the second step here is you're going to pass a simple language test. Okay, so the test they are talking about right here is to confirm the fact that you're good at English. Okay, you mustn't be a professional, because yeah, you mustn't be a professional, but they're just going to give you a simple test of normal English language question and answer. So you're just going to tick the answers. They're going to give you options. Okay, so you're just going to select the right options, the right answers, and then you're going to be directed to the third step. Okay, so the third step, what you're going to do here is, okay, while signing up, they are going to ask you a profession, or let me say a subject or a topic that you're very very good at. Okay, they might ask you okay, you're going to see options like mathematics, you're going to see business, you're going to see marketing, you're going to see business administration, you're going to see website development, you're going to see programming, coding, stuffs like that. Okay, you can see English language as well. So you're going to be the one to choose what you're good at. You're going to choose the field you're good at. Okay, so once you just choose that, this is where the step 3 comes in. Okay, so once you select the language or the profession or the skill you have, okay, because some of them are skill while some of them are just the normal things they teach you in school. Okay, some of them there you can see stuff like chemistry, you can see physics, you can see mathematics, you can see English language. Okay, so you just select anyone you're very good at. Okay, so once you select that, they're just going to ask you few questions, just few questions like normal objective in exams you do in school. So you're just going to select the answers. Okay, so that is what you're going to pass through in this step 3. Okay, so this step 4 right here, what they're gonna show you is they're going to give you something like an assignment. Okay, and they're going to give you time frame of when you're going to submit it. Okay, so that is like an application on the platform. Okay, so once you're done with that and you submit it, they're going to review it, they're going to give you the time frame for you to complete it. Okay, they are going to give you enough time. Okay, so once you complete it and you submit it, they're just going to take few hours to review it, and then you're gonna be successfully accepted on the platform. Okay, the process is actually quite long, so you're gonna take a little bit time to go through it. This platform is actually legit. It's paying people online. You can check on YouTube, you can make your own research on Google as well. Okay, so this platform is legit and you're gonna be making a whole lot of money on this platform. Okay, so let's see what they have right here. Research in numbers, you can see 5,000. They have over, okay, they've paid over 500,000 people, or paid hours spent by our freelancer. Okay, paid hours here, you can see this is over 500,000. You can see freelancers that has registered on the platform is over 510 people. Okay, it's over 510 people. They have a lot of people that have signed up on this website already. Sorry, 5,110 people. Okay, I actually made mistake there. You can see this is 5,110 people on this platform already from 37 countries. You can see right here, from over 37 countries they have freelancers, and they have people that are making up to $800 on this platform on monthly basis. Okay, so monthly some of their freelancers make up to $800 on this platform. Okay, and as I've shown you before, you've seen how the payment method you can use to withdraw your money from this platform. Okay, so I'm just showing you stuff about this platform so you won't get lost when you're trying to sign up for yourself. Okay, so these are reviews from people who have used the platform and have gotten results. You can see right here, Livingstone Research has given me the opportunity to generate a steady income and to participate my writing and communication skill. Okay, so you can see this is a review from someone who this platform has helped or who has gained from this platform. So let's check again. This is another review right here. You can see I've been working with Livingstone Research platform for 6 months. I like that I can manage my time and I'm totally satisfied with the earnings. Also, the website helps to get my payments in the very easy way. So you see, this is another review, and a lot of review about this platform online. Okay, so guys, I would say you should try this out. Okay, try this website out. So to just sign up, what you want to do is you just click on this apply now. So once you click on the apply now, it's gonna take you to a page where you input your where you input your your email address. Okay, so after the email address, you have to go to your email and then confirm it, and then you're going to be directed to another page where you put your personal details. Okay, so I'll be making another video on how to get accepted while applying on this website. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long for you guys. Okay, but if you think you're smart enough to go through the process and sign up for yourself, it's fine, just go and try it out. But if you can't wait, go to the comment section below, just comment you want part 2 of this video. So if I see that you guys really need the part 2, then I'll have to just make out time and then create the part 2 of this video. So guys, if you're seeing my video for the first time, you're new on my channel, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on my channel, you get notified, and then you can just implement whatever I teach in my video. Okay, so don't forget to like this video, comment, and then make sure you share this video with friends. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.